Every year, thousands of workers face electrical hazards that could have been prevented. Are your workers truly protected?
This is a Category 2 arc with polyester cotton shirt and pants. The arc and the clothing is immediately on fire. And not just the shirt, but notice that the pants as well, even though they would not have been predicted to ignite in this arc. In slow motion, you have an excellent look. You can see molten metal hitting the lens of the camera from 22 feet away. The camera's 22 feet from this arc, and molten metal droplets are hitting it.
Electrical hazards aren't just physically dangerous, they're costly. Downtime, injuries, and legal liabilities can cripple your operations. Workers cannot prevent unsafe conditions if you don't have up-to-date policies, safe work procedures, and training to direct them. Our electrical safety services and training cover all angles, being built on the gold standards of CSA Z460, Z462, and Z463. We help you control hazardous energy, protect your workforce, and maintain your systems safely and productively. We're not just compliant, we're proactive. We keep industry safe and productive. Our certified experts tailor solutions to your industry and your risks. Don't wait for an incident to take action. Contact us today to build a safer, more reliable electrical environment.